In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Monday.com for social media. We'll walk through building a simple, visual system to plan, organize, and track your social media content. Go ahead and log into your Monday.com account and head to your main home or workspace page so we can start from the same place. First, we're going to set things up using a template rather than building everything from scratch. Look for the option on your screen that lets you start with a template. This is usually highlighted near where you create a new board or project. Click that, and it will open the Template Center. Inside the Template Center, you'll see different categories and some featured templates. Use the search bar or category filters and type in something related to social media, such as social media or social media planner. Then select the social media template that best matches your needs and click on Use Template. Monday will now create a new board for you based on that layout. Once your board is ready, you'll see groups and items representing different days or posts. For example, you might see something like Day 1 in the first group. Click on that first item to open its details. You'll see columns like Date, Platform, Status, and maybe even a content or caption area. Click on the Date column and adjust it to match the day you want that post to go live. This is how Monday connects your posts with calendar and timeline views. Next, look at the item name and content-related columns. You might see example text, like a quote or placeholder caption. Click into those fields and replace them with your own post idea, caption, or brief. This template usually includes sections like Inspiration, which is a great place to store content ideas you're not ready to schedule yet. Click on the Inspiration group and customize those items with your own concepts or draft posts. You'll also notice some colored labels and possibly a place to edit brand colors. Open the brand colors or label customization area and update those colors to match your brand palette. This makes it much easier to see, at a glance, which posts belong to which platform, campaign, or content type. Now let's add structure for your workflow. Use the Add New Group option to create additional stages, like a new week, a campaign, or a group for ideas, in progress, and published. Name the group so it reflects how you manage content. At the top of your board, explore the different views. Click on Calendar to see all posts laid out by date. This is perfect for spotting gaps in your schedule or making sure you're not overloading a single day. Switch to the Files view to quickly see visual assets attached to your posts. The Timeline view is helpful for tracking larger campaigns that stretch over multiple days or weeks. You can also open the Kanban view, which turns your groups and statuses into a card-based workflow. Drag posts from one status to another, like from draft to ready to schedule to published. Some templates will include a word cloud or similar insights view, which can help you see the language you're using most often in your content. Finally, look for any saved view named something like Ready to Schedule. Click that to focus only on posts that are fully approved and just need to be scheduled in your social media tool. By moving items into that group or status, you'll always know exactly what's ready to go live. Follow these steps, and you'll have a clear, customizable social media system in Monday.com that keeps your ideas, content, and schedule all in one place.